Om Shri Sai Ram and Jai Jagannath. Good morning and I heartily welcome all of you present here to today's Smart CPR training program being held at KIIT. Before we start with the technical session, I would like to take a couple of minutes to give a brief introduction about our organization, the SATHYA Sai Seva organization. SATHYA Sai Seva organization is a service cum spiritual organization founded in the 1960s by SATHYA Sai Baba. The main objective of this organization is self-transformation, that is, transforming oneself to transform the world. So, with that objective in mind, the SATHYA Sai Seva organization's ODISHA came up with an initiative to create a pool of lifesavers. How? By training them in the life-saving skill of CPR. Being students from the medical background, I believe all of you are aware of what CPR is. Can I get a loud response? What is CPR? Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Thank you very much. So, with those few words, I would like to give a brief introduction of how this session is going to go forward. So first, we are going to have a theoretical session, after which all of you are already given the mannequins, and that will be forwarded, that will be continued with a practice session. Sai Ram. Now I request Brother Snigdha to take over the session.
Accordingly, that machine will provide the electric shock and count for the next CPR. Okay.
Adult patient. If the patient is a child, press the child button. Remove clothing from the patient's chest. Remove packet and apply pads on the patient's bare skin. Apply pads as shown in the pictures. Remove packet and apply press pads firmly on skin. Apply pads as shown in the pictures. Apply pads as shown in the picture. Press pads firmly on skin. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Everyone clear. Press the flashing shock button. Press. Shock delivered. Continue CPR.
Got it, guys? तो उसमें दो benches हैं. Because you can understand कि electric shock provide कर रहे हैं, तो उस टाइम में आपको वो electric को touch नहीं करना है. Got it? Okay? This was about EEG. Then we'll go for the steps of CPR. अभी हम लोग पहले क्या लेते हैं? 350.
Already we have attended the previous classes. So shall we start CPR? So okay, I have a very small question. So suppose the patient is lying right on the ground. Where should you place yourself? Over the head, left side, right side, or over the stomach? Left side. Okay, either side. So how many of you are for of left side? My left hand. One. Only 1, 2, 3. Either side, either left or right. Okay, maximum. Good. So when I am applying my pressure in the center of the chest, I don't have to think of left or right. You can sit any side of either left or right and start your CPR. So all of you are ready with that? Okay. So the main aim why we are conducting it again, just to adjust or just to rectify your postures. All of you know about CPR, and your subsequent classes will be learning the classes for CPR. But the main thing is, on this spot you should have your proper body language. So we are here just to modify that one, just to rectify that one. So your patients are in front of you or side by you. Kindly place yourself near the patients. Stand on your knees. Nobody should sit. Am I visible, all of you? See, I am standing on my knees. So whenever I should not sit like this. When I am placing my hand should be perpendicular to the chest wall. So whether you are standing or sitting, always remember your hand should be perpendicular to the chest. So accordingly, you should adjust your body posture. Kindly place your hands. Yes. And a very small thing which makes the CPR easy, try to put your load on the patient's body. Do not push. धक्का नहीं देना है, ठीक है? जैसे अभी आप लोग अपने घुटनों के ऊपर प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं, घुटनों के ऊपर बैठे हैं, या फिर घुटनों के ऊपर प्रेशर है, अभी आपका प्रेशर शिफ्ट कीजिए आपके हाथ के ऊपर. पेशेंट भूल जाइए कि आपके सामने पेशेंट है, समझ लें पत्थर पड़ा हुआ है. Okay, there is a stone in front of you. So now put your body's pressure on your hand. 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, stop. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up. Stop. Like younger brothers and sisters or in your family members, so they can act in this emergency situations. Okay, thank you.
देन अगर आपका वो जो विक्टिम है वो उनका ब्रीदिंग चालू हो गया है या फिर ही और सी इज कॉन्शियस, देन वहाँ पे प्रोजेक्टर में रिकवरी पोजीशन दिखा रहे हैं, उसको ऑब्जर्व कीजिए. अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव टू प्लेस देयर हैंड्स बीनीथ द हेड एंड टिल्ट दैट पर्सन टू ए साइड. ओके, एक साइड में उनको ऐसे उठाना है, उठा के एक हाथ को उनका हेड के नीचे रखना है और लेग पोजीशन भी ऐसे एक लेग को बेंड करके 90 डिग्री एंगुलेशन में बेंड करके ऐसे आगे रखना है. ठीक है? Okay.
Sai Ram and Jai Jagannath. Good morning and welcome all of you to the mass CPR training session that we are having today at this stadium here in KIIT. First of all, before we get to the technical session, I would like to give a briefing about our organization, the Sri Sathya Sai Seva organization. Basically, Sri Sathya Sai Seva organization is a service cum spiritual organization with an objective of self-transformation. That is, transforming oneself and later that leads to transforming the world. So in lines with that principle, the Sri Sathya Sai Seva organization Odisha came up with an initiative to train people in the life cycle skill of CPR. And our goal is to train not one, not two, but 2 lakh people of this training. So once when he was giving training in a rural part of Odisha, in a school, a small girl came up to him and said, "Sir, please don't mind, I will not be able to attend. I cannot pay the entrance fees." There was some entrance fees at that time because the training was held in collaboration with some other organization. So there was a small entrance fee. So the small girl came up to him and said, "Sir, I'm sorry, I cannot attend this session, I cannot pay the fee." He tried to convince her, but she was like, "Sir, I'm sorry, my parents, they cannot afford this, and I won't be attending this session." So out of compassion, he said, "You don't worry, I will pay the fee on your behalf, but you should attend this session." She reluctantly admitted pieces of what she learned in that session. Okay, something like, okay, now you have to give heart compressions, you have to push hard, push fast, some few things she remembered, and she applied whatever she learned. So in the meanwhile, the neighbors called the ambulance, who was in contact with this person after this happened. As usual, everyone was scared. Everyone was like, "No, no, sir, I didn't do anything. That girl, his daughter, she was doing something to him, we don't know anything." And that doctor went to that small girl. Remember, she's an 8th class student. He went to her and said, "What you did saved your father today." Just imagine. A small 8th class student with the knowledge of CPR became a lifesaver. Now imagine the potential of all of you. You can be lifesavers with this skill and your intent. Skill itself is not sufficient. Intent is also important. And all of you showing the enthusiasm to be present in this session shows your intent. Thank you very much, and with that I would like to give a big round of applause for showing this intent to become a lifesaver. What scenarios CPR will be done? In cases of sudden cardiac arrest. Okay, not just a mere heart attack. All of you know the difference, right? Heart attack is like irregular heartbeat or very minimal heartbeat. There is heartbeat though. Okay, there is heartbeat. If there is heartbeat, we should not perform CPR. That is one of the major steps. We will talk to it later. But first, what happens in case of compression death? Now, all of these should remain constant. At the same time, the person should change. How will we achieve that? Think about it for a second.
Start.
Now, Sai will start. Brother, start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
As you notice, brother got exhausted and he immediately started a countdown. Within that rhythm. In that rhythm, he started a countdown, giving that person, opposite person, an alert. That
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now.
Did you guys pay attention? So all of this is happening in the rhythm. The person is transferred from. Please maintain the rhythm. You are getting exhausted. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Reverse.
Other person, please be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Let's do it once more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. That is just to manage it. So, imagine the person has now gained consciousness. Now, what is the next step? Buy and go? No. There is something called a recovery position. So now, you can look on the screen. You place the person. He lies down on the ground. Turn him left. Turn him to his left with his knee above his other leg. So you can see the position, right? This is good for the circulation. Okay, this is called recovery position, by the way. So until help arrives, you can place him in that position, which secures the circulation and breathing. So that's all about CPR. And before we conclude this session, I would just like to give some closing remarks about our sister project, I should call it. This is called Liquid Love, which is a blood donation oriented Seva program, in which we have a video presentation to show all of you.
किसी भी प्रकार की हृदय संबंधी बीमारी होने की संभावना भी 33% कम होती है। जब आप रक्तदान करते हैं तो यह आपके शरीर से 225 से 200। श्री सत्य साई सेवा संगठन भारत द्वारा लिक्विड लव पोर्टल लॉन्च किया गया है। इस पोर्टल पर ब्लड डोनर्स का रजिस्ट्रेशन किया जा रहा है, जिसमें ब्लड डोनर अपना स्थानीय एड्रेस दर्ज करेंगे और उनके क्षेत्र में जब भी किसी को रक्त की आवश्यकता होगी तो मरीज के परिजन इस पोर्टल पर ब्लड रिक्वेस्ट दर्ज करेंगे, जिसकी सत्यता की जांच संगठन की लिक्विड लव सेवा टीम द्वारा की जाएगी। इसके बाद इस मरीज के आसपास के क्षेत्र से उपलब्ध डोनर को संपर्क कर डोनर और मरीज का आपस में संपर्क करा दिया जाएगा, जिससे डोनर रक्त की आवश्यकता एवं स्वयं की उपलब्धता में समन्वय स्थापित कर रक्तदान कर सकेंगे। इस प्रक्रिया से डोनर रक्तदान से उत्पन्न कृतज्ञता और अलौकिक प्रेम को महसूस कर सकते हैं और सही वक्त पर सही इंसान को रक्त पहुंचाकर मानवता के लिए अपना योगदान दे सकते हैं। आपका एक ब्लड यूनिट 3 व्यक्तियों का जीवन बचा सकता है। आइए हम सभी संकल्प लें कि हमारे क्षेत्र, प्रदेश और देश में कभी भी कोई भी रक्त की कमी से अपना जीवन न गवाए, क्योंकि संपूर्ण विश्व हमारा परिवार ही है। हमारे आराध्य भी कहते हैं कि मानव सेवा ही मानव सेवा है। अतः मानव की सेवा के माध्यम से हम सभी ईश्वर की सेवा करने का प्रयास करें और मानवता की ओर स्वयं को अग्रसर करें।